we are heading out to North Bay to go ice fishing on Lake Nipissing. So I want you guys to come with us on this adventure. We have packed bedding because we have a bed in our van in the event that we get stranded on the side of the road. And we have packed our clothes and our ice fishing stuff. Our friends that are going to meet us up there will be bringing their, let me turn that down so we don't get a ban, ice fishing shanty, and it's a double wide as I call it. And we're bringing our four-wheelers, so when we hit a stop, then I can show you guys the four-wheeler and the setup. We have an enclosed with us. So how much gas was that?
Well, it was $123.
All right,
and I had a quarter tank.
With a quarter tank. We have run into just a little mishap. The windshield wipers need to be replaced because we are running into some icy and snow conditions, and it's building up and the windshield wipers not like clearing off. I don't know if you guys can see the ice building up. Like, look at the antenna. The windshield wipers are getting all icy. Look at how thick it is. So we stopped to replace them with some winter and ice wipers. That way we'll be able to see while driving and we won't get into an accident, hopefully. It's been pretty smooth sailing. We have ran into a little bit of slippery patches along the way where it feels like the trailer behind us that we're towing is slipping out from behind us. But here, I'll show you our setup.
Trailer's locked up.
Yeah, that's fine. I can just show them. So we only have a single axle. Tandem would have been definitely better. So right now we're putting de-icer, windshield washer fluid in the van to hopefully help if we need to reduce some ice and put on the windshield wipers. We stopped at a Canadian Tire.
They're frozen.
Trying to get them out. I think we need a hammer or something. Oh, he's gonna chisel on us. Yeah, and for whatever reason he doesn't have his coat on. Alright, hold on to this ice chisel here.
I put warm clothes on. I got 2 sweaters on. And I even put my rubber boots on so I didn't get wet feet. Because I was driving with comfort.
Give me that.
Yeah, we can keep that for Elisa. Spare, maybe?
Dun dun dun. Let's hope they fit. Oh, perfect. We fit.
Oh, don't litter.
If the weather gets bad and we, can't drive or whatever, and we pull into a service center, we can sleep in our van because we can have a bed in there. Side of the road. Wherever we have to go, we have each other. All right, back onto the road. So we stopped to eat just shortly after we did the windshield wipers. Can't tell here, but it's snowing. And the sidewalk is definitely accumulating. I'm hoping that the roads will be good. I don't know. We ate at, what's it called? Wings?
Yeah.
Wing House. It was really delicious. I got a chicken Caesar salad, wings. Ryan got wings, poutine with chicken. Was it a chicken Caesar wrap or a ranch chicken Caesar wrap? So he cheated a lot. But I didn't cheat a lot. I cheated a little.
We're doing winter camping with no heater.
No heater except the heater
from... What's the temperature gonna be today? Check the code.
Well, tomorrow and I'm using my phone flashlight because it's dark in here because we don't have our batteries hooked up because once again we took them out for winter storage because we didn't want them in here because we don't generally live in here. Morning, beat the storm, the snowstorm that's coming, and we survived the night. We slept in our van in a Walmart parking lot. We let it run throughout the night to keep the heat in because we did shut it off and it was getting cold fast. So
it stayed warm all night.
Yeah, it stayed warm. Probably for you because you were between my body heat and the heat from the front, and I was definitely the co-founder of the freezing cold back half of the van. Because that's how we roll. We pee in buckets on the road. Grab my water bottle. Grab my other phone. No, I'm trying to bring all my stuff to the front. Bring my water. There's just so much going on up here. Look.
Well, it's an unorganized van right now.
It's unorganized chaos. Oh, let's wait for the windshield wipers. There we go. That's the weather. Oh, look, this random charging cord is in the way of my camera. Let's just do that. Oh, let's just do that or do that. I have my cords up because they're in the way. We are going to play crib. Playing crib. And my cards are separated for euchre, so I gotta shuffle them up pretty good.
They're getting reality of what van life's really about, though. Take a look at this mess.
Yeah, we don't even have a sheet on the mattress right now because it was there for just It was there for just the emergency situation if we had to sleep on the side of the road. Oh, look at that. We had to emergency sleep on the side of the road. The snow's picking up more right now. It's starting to, I can't see because the windshield wipers are off. That's me saying, hey babe, put the windshield wipers on so I can see this blizzard out here. I'm hungry, but I'm on a carnivore diet and basically got nothing to eat. Oh, I think there's some sausages in there, but they have some carbs in it, but if anybody knows how to play, I won't look. Oh shoot, we didn't cut the deck. We didn't cut the deck.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. 2 spots.
I got 9.
Yeah, I'll count. You got it. He's still in training, learning how to play. So I always double check his counts. Oh my gosh. We have friends that are meeting us up here. They tried to get up
6,
here.
right?
Yeah. They tried to get up here last night and they drove as far as they could, you know, without getting tired. And apparently they got bad gas back at their hometown and their wipers aren't working on the truck, so they're stopping to get new wipers. And it's probably because it like ices up.
We had to do the same thing.
We did the same thing coming up. And we actually got like, what were they, $50 for the 2 brand new ones, 25 a piece, because they're ice and snow, so they are actually meant for -40 weather.
Takes the lead.
Hello, this is Tiffany calling. We have a reservation today. I think it should be under Tiffany or Lisa. Okay. We came up early to try to beat the storm, and we were wondering and hoping that our room would be ready. Okay, perfect. Room 1, right? Is that the one that we got? Okay, perfect. All right, thank you so much. We'll see you in a few minutes. All right, bye.
Good to go?
We're good to go. We get a room. We can shower our tan off. I don't want to shower my tan off. I want to put it back on.
get this cleaned up then, because I guess we don't have to clean much. Just throw it back there and we'll.
I just want to get everything put in the room because it's just so crowded in here. It's not like really bad. It'd just be nicer to stretch out. It's so crampy.
This is what you want to do for months on end.
Yes, I do, but we would be set up a whole lot different.
Yes, you're right.
We wouldn't have just been throwing everything in here to get us.
This was a last minute ordeal. You're absolutely.
The trip wasn't a last minute ordeal. The vehicle we were taking was a last minute ordeal. Let's take the Mazda. Let's take the van, the minivan. Oh, let's borrow my brother's truck.
I probably would have been better off with
Let's get the van. I just figured you'd want to go faster so that you could get to bed faster.
I wasn't
He
tired.
loves his sleep.
Wasn't tired. Let's get things moving here then.
I'm moving.
Here we go. Gotta scrape the window.
Look at the snow hills. Like, we don't get that at home. And we brought 2 sleds. So we're hoping to find toboggans, sleds, whatever you guys call them, wherever you are. We are hoping to find a hill to go sledding. So we are just stopping for fuel before we go to our motel. Just because when you're in this kind of weather, you want to have full tanks at pretty much all the time. But before we camped last night, we filled up, or slept in the parking lot, we filled up. So right now, we let the van run all night to keep the van heated for us. So
7 hours total.
Yeah, 7 hours. So in 7 hours, we're gonna let you know how much it costs or how much fuel we burn. Now, take into account, we did drive to Tim Hortons this morning for a coffee. So, all right, Ryan just told me that it costs $27 to fill the van. I want to say, like, organized chaos to our life, I guess you can say. Just makes it fun, but got the key. All right, let's go see what this room is like. I don't know why my husband doesn't want to be a part of it. I gotta kick my feet off. I don't want to get the place wet. All right, this is a cute little place. Got 2, probably double beds. Extra pillow and blankets, air conditioning. Oh, my husband wants in now. Now he wants to participate. I'm gonna take my boots off here. Little dated. Oh, that's a pretty decent sized fridge. Microwave. Nightstand with a charger. Register heater. Look at me, still in my pajamas. And here's the bathroom. I don't know what kind of view I have out my window. Be interesting to know what our view is. Nothing. I'm sure I could open that, but then a blizzard would come in, so we don't want that. We are not generally picky people. Like, it doesn't have to be the Ritz-Carlton or this glammy place to sleep in. Literally, we don't stay in our room unless we're sleeping. Trying to move everything out of the way. Oh, the snow gear's coming in. Next. Ah! Oh God, that hurt. I should go help him. Look at the snow and freeze, hey. Look at how deep it is. Can you see our friends? Yep, he's gonna climb that hill. He slid down. I should move. He doesn't run me over. I don't know where he's coming down.
Little kid again.
You look like a little kid again.
Cuz on the hill. No. This is great. Tiff. I can see an end over here. This is gonna be great.